guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. I have my colors all laid out here. I stored them in these little bottles I got from Michael's, and they were 99 cents, but I just realized it makes a nice way of showing my colors. So this is the same color palette I had on what I did on a 14 by 14. This is Golden's Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. This is Amsterdam Expert Series in Naples Yellow Red Light, which looks like a really nice fleshy tone. This is Golden Fluid in, that is Permanent Violet Dark. Golden Fluid in Turquoise Phthalo. Golden Fluid in Green Gold. And this is a mixture of Charvin. I didn't use this in the last one. I don't know why. This is a mixture of Charvin Indigo and Liquitex Basics in Payne's Gray. And I think I put just a tad of the Prussian blue hue in this. So we're gonna get started on this canvas. This is a 20 by 20 Artist Loft, gallery wrapped, sprayed, pinned, and taped. And I'm going to take my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White and just put a little bit on the edges and prep the canvas. And here we go. Oh, I have a different, I'm trying out a different base coat tonight. It's a mixture of the bare satin enamels with a little bit of deco art. So I'll put that recipe in. I have no idea if it's gonna work, so this will be interesting. But if it does, I'll put it in the description with all of the ratios. Actually, I do it by ounces, and it's been working out for me. I use this is a 36 ounce bottle. It's 35 ounces, I believe, of ingredients. So sometimes my math is off, I'm sorry. And I have been changing the ratios of the Liquitex pouring medium and the GAC 800 on a pretty consistent basis. So it used to be I squirted this and a squirt of that, and then it was 2.5 ounces, and then it's 1.5 ounces. So tonight it is 1.5 ounces, and hopefully it works. So I've labeled it D and B, Decor and Bear. Just had to add the B. Hope everybody's doing well tonight. And this looks pretty good. Just prep the canvas because the paints are so thin. You want something for them to adhere to. And I am very excited about this one. I liked the other one I did. As a matter of fact, I did put the dried results, but I'm going to show it to you again. This is what the color palette. Don't know about there we go. That's the 14 by 14 I did. So I'm going to replicate these colors, and actually when it dried, the Permanent Violet Dark came out a little bit more. So I was really happy with that, and it mixed with the phthalo turquoise too. And there's the 20 by 20. Now I can throw that. I know some people keep them to use as swipe tools. I haven't swiped in a while. I need to swipe. It's time. So I'm going to put 16 ounces of thereabouts. It's a little bit less because the paints are thin. So I'm going to put 16 ounces down of the base coat. Still haven't figured out how Kathleen Osmore does that. I mean, it's pretty clear what she does, but I haven't been able to figure it out. So I'm just going to move this paint around. It's very, very liquidy. All the consistencies of the paint have to be the same or very close to the same. And you can always do a test. Oh, I see something in there. Get it out now. And yeah, I'm down to a few pairs of gloves. I've decided that gloves and I don't get along. For some reason, I don't have good results when I use gloves. I know it's silly, but it's I kind of like the feel of the paints too. So what is gonna start with tonight? I really, really loved this. So I'm gonna do something kind of fun tonight. Oops. Grateful Creations, GC. I'm gonna put a little bit more here. We'll see what kind of composition I get out of this. Always trying something new. Hopefully it's not crap. And I might put the green gold in this. Last time I just used it as last time I just used it as an accent color, but it really does sell up nice, so. And then we're gonna put this. Too much color again. Let's see what we get out of it. Interesting. I don't like all this, so I'm gonna put some more of, fill in some of the white blanks. There we go. All right, here we go. So if it's crap, we're gonna scrape it and do it again. Sometimes less is more. Actually, most times less is more. But sometimes you don't know what you're going to get until it starts developing too. Ooh, I like those peaks. You know I like my peaks. And it's already starting to sell up down here. I'm going to bring it back. I like what's going on in this bottom corner, but this is kind of busy, so I'm going to dump this off. Oops, it's a good thing because I just dripped on it. Alright, get that drip off. There we go. Ooh. Still a lot of paint on it. We're going to need to get some of that off. Let's try going over this way. Take it off with where the turquoise is and bring it back, so that we get more cells there. It looks like something in the center. It looks like a unicorn or something. I don't know. Well, we'll just have to see what happens, because you know, once it starts developing, it's all different. It changes. Yeah, and we can always take stuff off too. I'm really liking this. Oh, geez, can you believe I just did that? All right, I'm not touching it because it's going back in. I can't believe I just did that. And yeah, this looks kind of interesting. Don't like that muddy part right there. This might be coming off, I'm not sure. Well, and you can see the quinacridone nickel A's of gold underneath here. So that's going to come up a bit. Let me torch this, and I'll be putting you on time lapse again. Oh, you guys, I wanted to tell you, I know my camera only does time-lapse in one speed, but I try to slow it down. And there's another way of being able to slow it down. There's 3 little dots at the right-hand corner. And if you touch on that, you can adjust the speed. And I learned that from Sara Taylor. She's awesome. All right, here we go. Okay, so I'm putting you on time lapse and I'll be playing with it. See you in a few. Well, there are parts of this I like, and there are parts I do not. And I'm going to go in on the good, and I'll do the bad and the ugly. So these are really cool. Look at the cells. Look at the different colors. Loving that. Yeah, and that green gold really does sell up nice. And I did some work on this. The thing is, I think when I mix this particular base, there might be too much water in it. I mixed it like I usually mix it, and I don't know. Now, that would be the ugly. I'm not crazy about that center. And no, I overworked it. It's just not, I realized I didn't put the permanent dark violet in my pour. So I tried to incorporate it. This I like. This is kind of cool. But see, this is semi-transparent color, so that's what happens to it. But I love that. Isn't that cool? Ugh, I love that line. That is just so cool. So, I don't know if you guys saw, I dabbed up some parts and then redid them. I'm liking this right here with the green gold and the quinacridone coming through. But see the little tiny, like, it looks like there's too much water in it. So I'm kind of on the fence. I'm gonna see how it dries. And you guys let me know what you think. Should I pour over it or what? It's easy to pour over. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao for now. See you soon. Hey guys, I'm back. I was editing this video and I saw the center and I just couldn't live with it. So I came back and redid it. So I can live with this. This is so much better. Are you kidding me? Yes. So it's not quite developed yet. So in the morning it might look a little bit different, but hell yeah, much better. I just couldn't leave it. I just couldn't. So I just sopped it all up and put down some more white and added what I needed to. Well, so this is going to be the final. I have to go to bed now. Hey guys, this is my flexi mount system that I had installed on my ceiling. It is a lifesaver for storage. I don't know about you guys, but I have a lot of canvases. So I do have a coupon code for 10% off.